I have read that people are using sodium polyacrylate in their raised gardens and pots. This is the same water-absorbent material found in diapers. The thought is that it holds moisture so you don't have to water as much. What are your thoughts on this? Is it harmful to the plants or soil? Or more importantly, does it work? Thanks, and this is Craig from Columbus, Ohio. So what do you think about that?
Well, it's been around for a while.
Yeah.
TerraSorb is one of the brand names, and a lot of people use it if they're planting like in the heat of the summer, and they want to make sure the plants stay moist. They put this in the hole. I think it kind of dissipates over time, but I'm not exactly sure of the long-term implications from using it. We've used it in containers here at the Dixon. I've got a really funny story.
Let's hear it.
Greg Francis, who used to work here, he would always do our containers. And he got some of this material that you're talking about that they use in the diapers, and he mixed it in with the soil that he put in the containers. And then he planted everything, and then he went in to water it. Well, that stuff expands like 2 times. So the next morning, all the plants, it was like a volcano had erupted, and they were all on the ground. So I will say, moisten the soil before you plant, before you put it in the container. But you know, I don't know if there's any long-term implications for it, but you know, if you prepare the soil right and you're putting the right plant in the right place and you're planting the right time of the year, you know, like landscapers, sometimes they're finishing up a construction project and they have to plant in the summer. You know, seasonality in gardening is such a big thing. So if you're doing the right thing at the right time, it makes a huge difference. So you're not fighting nature as much, right? So, so I would say you shouldn't need it except for in special circumstances. But like I said, we have used it in containers. But good organic material and you know, proper watering, planting at the right time, I think you shouldn't need it.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.